This is my ClickBank Platinum.
It just showed the hard work that we put in, that it wasn't for nothing.
One of my biggest accomplishments was getting the status of ClickBank Platinum.
Being Platinum, it just makes me smile. I'm like, yeah, I'm Platinum now.
ClickBank has the ability to change your life at a fundamental level. It did mine.
Holding Platinum Award, it feels so great.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hold 3 or 4 more of these guys. Being a Platinum vendor with ClickBank definitely comes with its perks.
At the Platinum Summit, you meet one person and then they introduce you to 5 more.
It's the event that I go to every year.
This is a ClickBank Platinum Award. But it's so much more than just an award. It's a symbol of hard work and dedication to becoming one of the best. It's living proof that you are one of the most successful affiliate marketers in the world. And once you're Platinum, you get access to one of the greatest networking events of the year, ClickBank's Platinum Summit. So, who's going to be our next ClickBank Platinum?